If you're looking for a funnel builder with FAQ features, I'm going to show you that perfect funnel builder here. I call it perfect because I love it, and I believe it's the #1 funnel builder in the world. If you don't know me, I'm the real Robin Williams. Welcome to this video. And I also like to give away a free gift. So at the top of the description of this video, if you're searching for a funnel builder, you're shopping online, I highly advise you get this free report. Avoid these 9 costly funnel builder mistakes that can kill your business even before you ever start. You can put your name, email. Mobile is totally optional, and it'll send you over a funnel gift that you can just pick up and read. And I was very thorough, so you'll be able to decide whether this funnel builder is for you or maybe other funnel builders that you are using. Maybe you'll be able to decide whether those are for you. So go ahead and grab that. And I want to get into these tutorials. I'm doing short tutorials for my actual funnel builder that I love. And this tutorial, we're going to be talking about the FAQ feature. At the bottom, you see I already have one. Let me just delete this. So here is the bottom of this website where I can add the FAQ. Typically they go there, and so I want to add a widget. If you've been watching these tutorials, you know that we have all of the widgets and stuff you want to put on your pages right over here to the left, and we want to use the accordion feature. Now, it's important to have certain things that you want to apply to this as far as the design, maybe even the text. If you need certain text, you want to have that. In fact, I may have to bring up ChatGPT to copy and paste some text for the purpose of this video. But ultimately, you want to figure out the styling of things, especially when it comes to this area here, because you want them to match. So for instance, if I made very specific changes, I could just copy and paste these, pretty much copy, clone that widget, right? And so here is the styling of the accordion file. So I would say that will be your first step. You click on edit. You can see we have 4 different styles. So the cool thing about this funnel builder is that as you're editing, a lot of the times, almost most times, you'll be able to see the changes that it's making, so you can see if you like it. So just click on these styles to see what is your best style that you vibe with. So we got style 2, style 3, style 4. I'll just stay on style 4. You want to go ahead and just get the font over with, right? You want to see what kind of font that you want for your header. You want to see what size you want for your header. And then also you have the heading background color. We'll just keep it like that. And you have the heading color. And so let me go here. I like to use Colorzilla. And you can pick from the page already whatever color you have, and it'll copy that color, and then you can change that. You can see that the title is changed, and also content background area. So this is the background area. If you wanted to change that to a certain color, you could do that as well. So you want to get that styling over with. Then let's say, for instance, what I meant by a little template, let's say for instance you save this, you have this area here and you want them all to look the same. Right now they look the same, but maybe you want the style a little bit different and you want them to look the same. So you can go to double click on that, move my big head out the way. You can go here and click on the settings, and maybe you could say first title here. And actually let me go to my ChatGPT. So I'm in my ChatGPT and I just had it do some regular questions and answers. Please, if you're reading something on here, it may not be true because I had ChatGPT do it. And in fact, they had something else in my results that wasn't true about the HBA funnel builder. So just know that this is simply for content, right? So you put the content in there, and let's just say you want this section heading to match that actual color back there. So let's go back there and grab that other color. You can pick this color from your funnel builder as well. I just figured instead of me getting out of here to go grab the color of this inside my funnel builder, it's better to get it from Colorzilla. And so I can go here, I can put that color there. All right. And say, for instance, you're going to add a call to action button. All right. And so we have that. You can edit your text style in, and maybe you want that to be, let's just say, a blue. You want it to look like a link. So now we have all of this here. You can add a link if you want, or you can just delete it. But regardless, just pay attention to all of this area for each FAQ section or whatever you want to use this for that you put in there. You want to pay attention to all of this data, but that's done. So now I have, let's save this. So now I have my FAQ section. It looks really nice. I think it looks clean, y'all. This looks nice. And I can click on this drop down. I can probably want to rename section header. So maybe you can be creative and either put something similar to whatever you have in a header. So this is what is a funnel builder and why do I need it? And I could say something like your 24/7 automation tool online as the sub header, right? And then basically it'll pretty much have that data there. Now, this is the part where I say you prep all of that, you get nice with it. You're like, hey, this is cool. I like it. It's clean, right? But if you look here, this is not matching. The color scheme and all that stuff isn't quite flowing. So once you create this, this is why I say you want to create it and style it first. You want to go to double click it. So say for instance, I delete all of this stuff here and then I just duplicate that. So now all I have to do is edit that information, change the questions up. Let me just do one for you real quick. I'll go and I'll grab another question. This is long. Let's grab another one. Take all this, paste that. That came from ChatGPT. All right, let's delete that. And in fact, if you needed that color again, you have to change that somewhere else. Sorry about that. Oh no, you can change it here. Here I go. So you would copy this color if you needed that color code again. But this came from ChatGPT, so it didn't look like this. It was bulleted. You can create it however you see fit. It could just be text just like the other one. I just don't want to look too janky while I'm giving you an example. And so you can add the call to action button. You could take it away from this one if you don't need it in this area. You can add a link here if you need it for this particular area. And so now all you had to do was duplicate this area and now your FAQs are matching, smatching. I just made matching, smatching up. So depending on how you want to layer this up, if you want to pretty much type it as a paragraph or a list, you can do that. But now it's flowing, it's looking good. And this is the FAQ section. I like to use this for more information. I like to use it. You can use it obviously for the FAQs, but you can also be creative and use this accordion style to help maybe build people beliefs or just go through information. You probably could even go through a text course. If they're reading step 1, right? And it's all reading, you can have them come in here and read the information. And then their next step could be right here. It's very few clicks that they have to go through to other pages. And maybe they can go down a line, right? Maybe they can go down a line for this stuff. So you can get creative with this. Definitely go pick this funnel builder up if you want to get it. And then I think I have at the top of the descriptions of this video, I have the links that you can go and grab this tool if you want. And you can also grab the demo, full demo, if you want to see what else this funnel builder can do. I love this funnel builder. It's pretty dope. And once you check out, it's only $25 per month for training. It comes with coaching. And if you want additional coaching throughout the week, you can add 14-day free trial. And that also gives you access to training to help you get traffic and help you convert that traffic into sales. That's all I have for you in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.